Are you preparing for your DMV written test exam? You're in the right place. Today, we'll take you through the top 40 most failed U.S. road signs that confuse even experienced drivers. Whether you're a first-time learner or a senior driver preparing for your DMV driving test, we'll break everything down clearly so you can master these signs and spot the differences. Watch until the end. It's the only way to fully understand and remember these traffic signs. Let's dive in. Which sign shows the lane ends, merge right road sign? Identify the no right turn traffic sign. Spot the narrow bridge road sign. Name the two-way traffic road sign. Identify the keep right road sign. Name this road sign. A. No right turn on red. B. No left turn. C. No right turn. The answer is C. No right turn. Spot the interstate route marker, 2 digits road sign. Which sign shows the food road sign? If these U.S. road signs practice questions are helping you prepare, give this video a like to show your support and let us know you want more DMV test prep videos. Identify the electric vehicle charging symbol. Spot the vehicle ferry terminal road sign. Identify the handicapped accessible traffic sign. Name this car logo. The logo represents the Jaguar car brand. Which sign shows the railroad crossing ahead road sign? Spot the keep left road sign. Identify the national network route marker. How's your DMV test prep going so far? Drop a comment below and let us know your progress. We're here to help you succeed. Spot the side road at an obtuse angle right road sign. Which sign shows the hairpin curve, right road sign? Guess this car part? You are looking at the quarter window. Identify the No All-Terrain Vehicles traffic sign. Spot the school speed limit ahead. Road sign. Want weekly DMV tips, road signs practice, and permit test study guides? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Identify the flagger ahead traffic sign. Spot the school crossing road sign. Which sign shows the curve? Left road sign. Would you rather drive a Ferrari or a Lamborghini? If the Ferrari is your pick, hit the like button to support its legendary speed and racing heritage. But if you prefer the Lamborghini, drop a heart emoji in the comments for its bold style and powerful presence. Identify the weight limit road sign. Spot the No Parking general road sign. Identify the added right lane road sign. Spot the single lane transition road sign. Identify the crossroads with parallel tracks right road sign. Guess the car part. That is the speedometer. Spot the US route. Marker 3-digit sign. Which sign shows the gasoline road sign? Spot the Bear Crossing road sign. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Identify the school zone road sign. Which sign shows the curve right road sign? Name this car part. This is the visor. Identify the pedestrian crossing road sign. Spot the pedestrian crosswalk ahead road sign. Identify the bicycle route marker road sign. Spot the Moose Area road sign. Identify the off-interstate business route marker, 2-digit sign. Identify this car logo. This is the official Tesla logo. Spot the equestrian road sign. Identify the Do Not Pass, Stopped Trains road sign. Spot the Litter Container road sign. Identify the Trailer Camping road sign. Spot the two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1 opposing road sign. If you want to keep practicing and improve your chances of success, hit subscribe for the latest DMV guides and tutorials. Tap or click one of the videos on your screen to keep learning and build your confidence. Stay focused, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.